Hello everybody, today I would love to talk to you about protein on ketogenic diet. I love this topic so much because I feel there is misleading information on internet about you should not eat too much protein on keto because this can turn into sugar and kick you out of ketosis. So if you are interested in this topic, please watch this video. Let's start with why it's so important to eat protein in general, not only on ketogenic diet. Protein is an essential component in each cell in our body. Protein is not only helping us to maintain lean and repair our body mass, but also is used in creating enzymes, in creating hormones, can help regulate cholesterol, and can help us keep a healthy weight. In other side, if you are not eating enough protein, our hair, our nails can weaken. We are not that satisfied after eating a meal, and our immune system can suffer as well. So as you see, protein is important in our diet because they're keeping our cells in a great shape. So now let's talk what is going on in our body when we eat protein and why we should not afraid of eating protein. Alright, so when we eat protein, our body turns protein into sugar in the process called gluconeogenesis. This process is very important, and in simple words, this process happened only when our body needs it. So gluconeogenesis is making sure that these cells that need glucose have the fuel they need. This is also a reason why our blood glucose doesn't go to zero when we are fasting or we are on ketogenic diet. Just to recap, the gluconeogenesis, it's not enemy, it is a demand-driven process that our body needs. So make sure you eat enough protein on daily basis. The last thing I wanted to mention here is that animal protein are more bioavailable than plants protein. Plants protein are usually missing one of the essential amino acid, and animal proteins are having a higher total amount of protein and they have a better amino acid profile. So eating food like eggs, dairy, if you are not sensitive, fish, meat is the best way to incorporate protein into your diet. So this is pretty much it for this video, and if you like my video, please put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, please comment below the video and let me know what is your view on protein. So yes, thank you so much again and have a great day. Bye.